Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the channel where we explore the tech that's shaping how we play, work, and create. Today, we're looking at a gaming laptop that's rugged, powerful, and surprisingly well-balanced for its size. This is the ASUS TUF Gaming A18, also known as the FA808. It promises desktop-level performance in a portable, military-grade shell. But is it really as tough and capable as it looks? Stick around, because this could be one of the most exciting gaming laptops of the year. Right away, the design tells you everything you need to know. The A18 looks bold and aggressive, with sharp lines and a sturdy feel. It's not overloaded with RGB or flashy extras, but it carries that signature TUF military-inspired aesthetic. More importantly, the build isn't just for looks, it's tested for durability, so this laptop can handle life on the go without needing to be babied. But design is only half the story. Inside, the TUF A18 packs some serious hardware. It runs on AMD's latest Ryzen 8000 series processor, paired with up to NVIDIA's RTX 4070 graphics. That combination makes it a powerhouse, ready to crush modern AAA games and handle demanding workloads like editing, rendering, or 3D design. Throw in AI-powered DLSS 3-frame generation and ray tracing, and you're looking at smooth gameplay in even the most visually intense titles. Here's the hook: this isn't just about raw power, it's about how well it translates into the real gaming experience. Fire up Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing on, and it stays smooth. Jump into competitive shooters like Valorant or Apex Legends, and you'll enjoy super high frame rates thanks to that RTX GPU and a lightning-fast display. The A18 feels like a machine that doesn't just play games, it dominates them. Speaking of the display, ASUS equips the A18 with a massive 18-inch QHD Plus panel, running at 240 Hz with adaptive sync. That means crisp visuals, fluid gameplay, and minimal tearing. The size adds immersion, making it feel closer to a desktop setup than a laptop screen. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this display is one of the A18's biggest strengths. Of course, all that power generates heat, and that's where ASUS's cooling system comes into play. The A18 uses dual arc-flow fans, multiple heat pipes, and liquid metal thermal compound on the CPU to keep things under control. Even during long sessions, performance remains stable, and while the fans can get audible under heavy load, the system does a great job keeping temperatures in check. Battery life on a gaming laptop is always tricky, but the A18 does reasonably well. Thanks to efficiency gains from AMD's processors, you can squeeze out several hours of productivity or streaming before plugging in. Gaming, of course, will drain it quickly, but that's expected for hardware at this level. Audio is another pleasant surprise. The speakers are loud, punchy, and supported by Dolby Atmos for spatial sound. Watching movies or gaming with the built-in speakers feels immersive, though if you plug in quality headphones, high-res audio support makes the experience even better. Here's another hook: the TUF A18 isn't just powerful, it's also upgradable. You get dual SSD slots and support for up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. That means you can expand storage for your growing game library or boost memory for heavier multitasking in the future. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment that can grow with you. But what about value? That's where the TUF series shines. The A18 doesn't carry the luxury price tag of ASUS's ROG Strix or Zephyrus lineup, yet it delivers performance that rivals them. For gamers and creators who want maximum power per dollar, the A18 is one of the best options out there right now. Of course, no laptop is perfect. The A18 is big and heavy, so portability takes a hit compared to thinner models. The design, while tough and bold, might feel too aggressive if you prefer minimalist laptops. And while the display is gorgeous for gaming, creators who need absolute color accuracy might find it a step behind professional-grade panels. So, who is the ASUS TUF Gaming A18 for? If you're a gamer who wants desktop-level performance in a laptop, this is a fantastic choice. If you're a student or professional who also wants to do creative work, it balances gaming and productivity beautifully. And if you want a durable machine that can take some wear and tear, the TUF branding actually means something here. At the end of the day, the ASUS TUF Gaming A18 proves that you don't have to sacrifice power for price or durability for design. It's a gaming laptop that's bold, reliable, and packed with hardware to tackle almost anything. It won't win awards for being light or subtle, but if performance is your priority, this machine delivers in spades. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, the channel where we give you honest reviews of the tech shaping tomorrow's gaming experience. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the ASUS TUF Gaming A18, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss what's next. Until then, game hard, stay sharp, and keep vibing with tech.